I wonder if we no stay like how enough Jamaican people stay. Love judge people. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now is the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 6. Not judge people like say God can't pardon them. So the same sitting we not reach uno. Cause the same way how uno judge people, as so God a go judge uno too. If you don't take time with other people, as so God a go take time with uno too. But if you not ready for rough them up and write them off, that a go reach uno too. Oh, we make uno see the little piece of sawdust in uno brother or sister eye. And uno can't see the big piece of plank in a funo own. How uno can really say to uno brother or sister say, come, let me take out the sawdust out of your eye. And one piece of plank then a funo own. Uno hypocrite uno. First, uno fit take out the plank out of funo eye. That way they know uno can see good to take the little piece of sawdust out of a brother or sister eye. And now take out a good, clean sitting them. We have a God, give dog, Jesus. And uno good pearl, dash, give pig. Them now go tap up on them, then turn round, tear uno up. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.